the whales will walk with the people if the shrimp will fly with the birds. Okay, practice with me. The whale, whales, whales. So you have your horizon arm, it's like the horizon, and of the water here in this case. Then you have a Y hand, and you're going to have your lead Y hand go up and down over your support arm. And it looks like the tail of a whale. Whale, whales, 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 will. The W hand, your first finger is going to be right here at your jawline, and then you're going to arc it out and in front, and you're going to end in an L hand. Will. Walk. Put your lead hand down, and then your support hand in front of it. So these are like your feet, and you're walking. Walk. With A hands, and put them together. With the people. P hands, put your fingers kind of down, and then the circles go out and down and back out. So people. If, I hand under the I. If the shrimp, your little pinky, and it's going to wiggle as it goes across your body. So it begins at the same side and goes across to the opposite side. Shrimp. Will. Fly. So you have an F hand, and you're going to put the palm down, fingers out and to the opposite side, so at that angle there, and you're going to fly. With the birds. So your first finger and your thumb are going to touch, and you're going to put the back of your hand right at your mouth, and this looks like a little beak, doesn't it? So bird, birds. Okay, say it with me now. The whales will walk with the people if the shrimp will fly with the birds. Or the whales will walk with the people if the shrimp will fly with the birds.